If you are running an online store and want to remove the background of your products images, or you want to remove the background of your photo for your YouTube thumbnail, then this video is for you, because in it I will show you how to remove the background from a picture, and I will show you how to do this completely for free. That said, let's jump into the video. To remove the background from a picture, we are going to use this website, that is pixlr.com/remove-background. I'll leave the link to this website in the description down below. Pixlr is a free online tool that you can use to remove the background of your images, and it's completely free. So the moment you land on the website, all what you need to do is click on open image, and it will take you to a folder. From here you can navigate to where you have your images. So these are the images from which I want to remove the backgrounds. So first of all, I'll start with a simple one. This particular watch is having a white background which I don't need, so I just go ahead and click on it. Then I click on open, and Pixlr will start doing its thing at the background. Perfect, very clean and neat. See that the white background is gone, and you can easily go ahead and click on download to have your image downloaded. Then I click on OK to save my image, and it is saved right here. Perfect. So I can go ahead and click on open image again to take me to my folder, or better still, I can go to my folder and just go ahead and drag and drop the image like this. Perfect. The background is being removed, and I can go ahead and download it. OK to save it. So these two images we have removed the background are all simple backgrounds. Let's see a complex background. So I'll take this laptop. Perfect. Let's look at the laptop again. You see that the background of this laptop is looking complex, but we are able to remove everything, leaving the laptop. This is how simple Pixlr will remove the background of your images. So I just go ahead and download it. Maybe you can try an image of a human. So I'll take this, drop it in here. Perfect. This is very clean and neat. I like it, and I go ahead and download it. Let's try once more. So I grab this and I drop it in. Perfect. Now with this one, you can see that there's some white portion on the hair. Take note, this one will not work like Photoshop, but we can still find our way by removing some portions of the white. So I can zoom in, then I go to fine tune, and with this brush tool I can remove some portions of the white background I don't need, and make sure remove is active. I can zoom in a bit more. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the white area. Perfect. Take note, this will not give you a perfect removal, but we can still manage to get there. Alright, I can reduce the size of the brush. It is too small. Maybe something like this. As a matter of fact, you can't remove everything. You just have to be a little bit creative. Maybe I can remove this side a bit. Perfect. Awesome. Alright, I think that is cool. You can just go ahead and hit download. Okay. Alright, so that is Pixlr for us, and with this simple tool you can use it to kick the ass of your competitors in the e-commerce industry. So that's it on how to remove the background of your images. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.